This is the Fhiaba fully integrated refrigerator freezer bottom mount. It takes a custom overlay panel. The model number that we'll be looking at is a G5990TST3IU. The G meaning it is slightly deeper than a counter depth unit, so it's 27.5 inches deep. 599 meaning its width, 599 millimeters or 24 inches in North American dimensions. 0T meaning it's a 2 evaporator model, 2 compressors, 2 evaporators. ST meaning it's a solid door. Some models you'll come across will have glass doors, such as wine units. 3 meaning a left hinge. If it was a 6, it would be a right hinge. I meaning it has an automatic ice maker in it, and U meaning it's for the North American market. The unit, as mentioned, has 2 compressors in it. It requires a 15 amp dedicated circuit, and with the automatic ice maker, it also requires a 1/4 inch water line source feed. So one of the first things you want to do as an installer is make sure you have everything you need for the installation. Everything that is supposed to come with the appliance is with the appliance. So with the Fhiaba units, there's a couple of locations that you're going to want to be concerned about, and that is going to be the back of the unit, and then also what comes inside the unit. On the back of the fully integrated appliances, you will find certain items that are taped to the back. This would be the trim covers, which will go at the end of the installation. We want to make sure we remove those, along with the lower ventilation grill, which is also taped to the back. We'll use at the end of the installation to finish making everything look nice. There's also some warning stickers, tip over hazard on the back that you should be heating. These units are very heavy and can cause damage to property or to yourself if you're not careful. Also located on the back will be your electrical cord and your water connection. Looking at the side of the Fhiaba fully integrated appliance, we'll notice there is a ventilation cap that's been added. Being a European appliance, they have different standards for niche heights. And so in North America, we have an 84-inch niche height that we want to achieve. And so Fhiaba has added a ventilation cap on top, which allows for air circulation, and then also we have no requirement for additional ventilation or chimney, so to speak, to be integrated into the cabinetry. The units take care of all their air exchange through these ventilation caps and ventilation covers that are provided. So now we're going to look inside the Fhiaba appliance to make sure we have all the accessories and all the parts that we need to complete the installation. So we open the door, look inside, we'll find a water filter, which we'll install near the end. Also find our manuals. There'll be an installation manual, a use and care manual, and also inside the bag will be a copy of the serial plate, which is also located on the appliance. This is a good thing to put inside your user manual should you ever need to call into service. You'll have this information at hand. Also, you'll have an accessory pack. Inside the accessory pack are, for the end user, there's polishing cloths and cleaning sponges. We have our brackets and bolts for applying the custom overlay panels. We have anti-tip brackets. And we have the custom water adapter. Make sure that you only use this water adapter. You can't use a braided stainless hose that you can get at various hardware or plumbing stores. The solenoid that the water line connects to is a 3/4 inch diameter but metric threaded, and this adapter is designed specifically to connect to that solenoid with a 1/4 inch water line. And lastly, you'll find some gasket material in there to cover up any seams if there are any after the panel application.